In this video, I'm going to show you how I replaced Trello with Apple Reminders to manage all my tasks and projects. I'll walk you through how to set up Kanban boards, customize workflows, and even use powerful features like templates, all with a tool you already have. Let's get started. I used to rely on Trello to manage all my projects. The Kanban boards, task organization, it worked well, but over time, I realized I was juggling too many apps and Trello wasn't fully integrated into my workflow. That's when I discovered that Apple Reminders has a built-in Kanban view that works seamlessly with the Apple ecosystem. No subscriptions, no extra downloads, better integration with the other Apple apps, just a smarter way to manage tasks. Now I use it for everything: work projects, personal planning, even video production. It works seamlessly across all my devices: Mac, iPhone, iPad, and integrates with Siri for hands-free task creation. Apple Reminders also integrates seamlessly with the Calendar app on macOS, allowing you to schedule tasks and view them alongside your events. Plus, it's already built into the Apple ecosystem, so there's no need to download or pay for anything extra. Here's how you can turn any list into a Kanban board in Apple Reminders. Open or create a list in Reminders. Tap the menu button and select View as Columns. Add sections using the same menu. These act as your columns. Drag tasks between sections as their status changes. You can switch between column view and list view anytime without losing data. This flexibility works perfectly whether you're on your Mac or iPhone. Unlike traditional to-do in progress and done columns, which don't work well in Reminders since completed tasks disappear, I created custom sections tailored to my workflow. For example, in my video projects list, I use sections like ideas, research, script writing, filming, editing, upload prep, and scheduled for release. This gives me a clear visual overview of every project status at a glance. What makes this better than Trello is the integration with my calendar and notes. I can attach files directly from iCloud or set location-based reminders, all within one app. Here's another feature that makes Apple Reminders stand out: templates. After customizing your list with sections, tap the menu button and select Save as Template. When starting a new project, go to the Templates tab. When creating a list, select your saved template and name it. This lets me instantly replicate workflows for recurring projects like video production or event planning, something Trello charges for in its paid plans. If this video helped you rethink your productivity tools, hit like, subscribe for more tech hacks, and let me know in the comments if you're making the switch too. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll join me soon in my next video.